Hey ghouls, hope everybody's doing well today and you're excited like I am to see what I purchased from Muze Lab. So if you want to see what I got, stick around. Alright ghouls, I'm going to give a really quick explanation as to why I'm like this and why there's this really bad, nasty looking scab there. Yesterday I tripped on the driveway and fell, and I'm kind of concerned I fractured my wrist. But what are they going to do about it other than just give me a cast or a brace or something anyway? So yeah, I'm powering through this. Not very gracefully, but I'm trying. And it happened yesterday, and this was in the mail yesterday. This and another order that I really was excited for. And I had planned on filming this yesterday. Yeah, well, I wanted to get it done because I want to see what's in the box. So please forgive any, it doesn't look great, But there's a reason, and I'm clumsy AF. So, and if you know me, you know. So anyway, this is a big order from Muze Lab, and there's also a collaboration Muze Lab did with Rose and Blood Co. And I had to have some of those products. So those products are in here as well. But let's see what we got. And yeah, I just took this off because, I like to save my stickers. So here we go. Ooh, look at all this stuff. Oh yeah. All right. Here we go. Muze. It's Muze Lab. See, there too. I don't know how well I'm going to do this, so yeah. I'm going to go down to the washi is what I'm going to do. And then we will see. Look at all this washi tape. Okay. We have just the plain grid washi, which, wait a minute. This one is the squiggle. It has the not quite straight lines, and I have a white one like that too. Is this it? Yes. Which look more like if I was drawing it, because I shake a lot. So, yeah. So I've been wanting some of the regular, which I do have some of that too. You see the difference? These are just plain lines, and this is squiggly a little bit, like not perfect lines. But these are really good basic washis to have for anybody doing planner or journaling things, anything. It's just a nice basic washi to have. And black, of course, anytime you can get black washi, go for it. They are easier to find now, but I remember when washi became big, yeah, wasn't quite that way. And then, of course, I needed another stars because, why? It's black washi with stars on it. So I have one. I don't remember which company I got it from, so I won't say the name, obviously, but it has off-white. But I like these are white. And then we have, oh, this is forest washi, I believe. Now, I don't know if I'll be able to pull these things out because even though my fingers are not hurting anymore, they were yesterday, here and here are swollen really badly, and any bit of pressure, it hurts. See, it's got little trees. I love that. I love it. And if you know me, you know I love my trees. Then we have, ooh, this. Oh, is this, listen to me, is this? Yes, it is, I do believe. It has a scallop to, or a pattern to it, like, hold on, let me get it in. Also, I don't know, can you see, yeah, you can see the shimmer in it. And see? I love that. Let's see if I put it. It has like a pattern, like, would be clouds, would be the negative space up there. So yeah, I like that. It feels so neat, right? It has the stars, and is there moons too? I don't know if I saw moons. I don't think I did. Either way, I do like that. That is really nice. And I'm trying to see, I have the, what you call it here? Let me see where the washi is. Moonchild set of 3. That's these ones here. And I do really like those. I said everything being black and white. There is a little bit of color here and there on things, but this has a little bit of a gold to it, or maybe a tan, like craft paper color. But I do like that. I really like this. I can't wait to use these. That's why I was like, I need to open this box so I can use this stuff. And this one here, are these? Let me get the names on those real quick if I can see them. Washi tapes. Black and white clouds, glitter sky. That was the one I thought that was supposed to be like that. Then we have, give me a second here. I know I'm slow. Just Halloween washi. Vintage Skulls and Roses. That's right here. Look at that. And the reason I'm not opening all these is because, well, my hand. And the other one is just Halloween washi? No, that's one I just had. Where's the other one? I am so professional. All right. It goes with a certain, I in the past had purchased the, what do you call it? Was there die cuts with this line? I don't know. Anyway, it has roses and blood dots on the grid. And it looks like the edge is kind of torn looking. So, yes, that was a lot of washi. What was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 washi tape rolls. Yes, because I'm obsessed with washi and I still have to buy more storage containers since I keep buying more. All right. Here we have the collab. It's the ice cream shop. I love it. It's got drip. Look at this. Oh my goodness. These are Post-it notes. Oh my goodness. And the brand. Ow. See, that hurt. I need to remember to use this hand. It's amazing that I'm right-handed, but I'm kind of ambidextrous in a way because I can write with this hand. And I do a lot of things with this hand. I can paint with this hand. I do all kinds of things. So I'm really aware of it now, how much I use this hand. So cute. Look at that. Just Post-it notes. They have a little grid pattern, a diagonal. It's on a diagonal. So yes, I love that. It's on the holographic paper, wrapper paper. I wish I didn't have this problem in my hand right now. Been a big baby about it, just because the kids are gone, so I get to be a big baby and whine about it instead of sucking it all up. Even though Jason was amazed yesterday after it happened. He came home, he was at work when it happened. I got up off the ground and brought in all of the groceries. I think I was running on adrenaline though, because I don't know how I did it. I did go ouch a lot, but I got it done. And here we have a full size, a regular size of Post-its. Did I get 2 different ones? I don't know if they had 2 different ones or if that's a little freebie or something. I'm not sure. Don't hold me to anything because, brain mush. And here you can see where it's the collab, Muze Lab, Rose and Blood. So, yes, I like these. They're just so cute. And I like cute stuff. So, and here we have the Rainbow Grid Washi. And that goes with the collab as well. And there's probably some in each of these bags, I'm assuming. Oh, no, there's more stuff down there. And we have some bats. And I did get 2 sheets of bats because, well, come on. It's frickin' bats. Let's be real. Love these. It says, she is a wild, tangled forest with temples and treasures concealed within. Isn't that nice? She is madness and sanity. She is hell and paradise. I love these. I love using the old vintage anatomical illustrations. Love that. Oh, got 2 of those too. I just really like this company a lot. Then we have some little washi strips of moon phases on the grid. Love that. And then we have the bats washi strips. Love them. Then we have more of the collab. These are, it's like it's on a tray. Cute. We have stickers here. So cute. I think out of all these, this might be my favorite, and that one, of course, because bats. But then this one comes third. Yep. Love them. Love the eyeballs, too. All right. And then we have more of the collab here, as well as the stickers. I love this little pad here that you can set it beside you and kind of map out your week quickly before, you know, maybe going and doing it in your plan or something. This way you can keep track of things that are going through the week. Just keep it sitting to the side and mark down what you need when you need it. I love this. I'm not sure how many pages there. 25, 50, 30? I don't know. But yeah, I like that. I like it a lot. And we have this. Told you it's a big order I put in. To me, it was a big order. I try not to go over $100 on an order, and it was still over $100 with a coupon. Either I had a coupon or some discount. I don't even remember now. Okay, come on out of here. See if I can, I have to go this way. Pull this that way. There we go. And I love, it's got the little pastel kind of tie-dye rainbow kind of thing going on there. Love that. And here's the deets. These deets will be in the description box. And also, excuse the mess around me. If you can see any of it, I'm working on another journal right now. So it's also craft area as well as planner area. Freebie. Here we go. Love it. Resting beach face. I want so badly to go to the beach this year. So badly. Oh, here we go. Ah, love it. These are part of the collab. Any of these ones with the drip. Ah, love it. Holy sherbet. Oh, so cute. And these I bought 3 of because I want one for each of my different places. One will probably go on the computer maybe, and the others are my planners. So, sad ghoul summer. And you know ghoul is my thing. And then I love this one so much. Gotta get 2. They're just so stinking cute. We have the Ghosty Popsicle. We have the ice cream cone jack-o'-lanterns. I do like this one a lot too. And then we have a couple of bats. And then this tentacle-y one. Lips with tentacles. So cool. I love everything so much. Here we have the ice cream from the collab. All these are from the collab. That say, yeah, that say R and B on them. R plus B. Ice cream cone. We have a ice cream popsicle type thing. I love this. Love the green one too. Love it all. And then we have some words. Sunshine and sarcasm. Salty AF. Crazy beach. Ghoul please. Summertime sadness. Ice cream. Stay frosty. Resting beach face. Wet and wildly annoyed. Yeah. Hashtag melting. I had put that yesterday, the day before. I think the day before on my post that I was slowly melting away because it's hot as hell. Vitamin C. I know what you did last summer. Most people do. I did absolutely nothing, I'm sure. And then I purchased them also in the black and white because, man, I have a mess up here. Same things, just in that. And then I needed the day covers. Look at that. The colors are, that just makes me so happy. There, how many did I get of these? Quite a few, looks like. 1, 2, I might have got 6. 5. I do like to work in odd numbers, so whenever I get 2 of something, it's really weird that that's all I got. I was trying to save money if I did that. So there's 5. And then we have the smaller washi strips. And then the little background that you get, which I like using these too. So, ooh, I can laminate that and make it a pencil board. That would be cute. So yeah, this was a large order. I love everything. Everything. Let me see if I can get everything in here so y'all could see it all together. And it just keeps going and going and going. So yeah. And I am in love with everything. Oh my goodness. The creator, Jen, and I don't know who the creator is for Rose and Blood, but both of them together came up with a really fantastic collab, and I love everything. And I wish I could have gotten the bundle, but damn it, I'm too slow. Anyway, I still was lucky enough to get a lot of stuff from it. So, if you have liked this video so far, do the whole like and subscribe and comment and all the things, whatever all the things are. I always say, do all the things. Sorry, this was a little less, it's not as high energy. Not that I have a lot of energy anyway, but I'm trying to do this so I can open this and try to use it and entertain myself while I am in pain. So, don't worry, y'all. I will be fine. Not looking for any sympathy or anything because this is typical me. Clumsy as fuck. It's just how it is. I am just that person, and I guess I always will be. Funny thing is, I have not had a major fall. I had one other fall. I didn't think I had another one, but I did have one a while back where whoever did our kitchen tiles, they're uneven. So I caught the edge of one and tripped and fell carrying my plants. Not happy at all because they fell and busted and dirt was everywhere. And thankfully Jason was here then. But it was nothing compared to this fall. And that's the only falls I've had since before my surgery from all my chronic pain. And during that time, my hips were so messed up, I fell all the time. They actually had me under the fall category at the hospital. So I had to be careful. But anyway, I'm rambling about things that are not about this video, and I do apologize. So yeah, just do all the things, and I will have all the deets for this in the description box. So check it out. Go check them out. Buy some stuff. You won't be disappointed. Promise you won't be disappointed. And if you are, well, then maybe you're just too picky. Anyway, so I'm going to let y'all go now. And remember, you're beautiful just the way you are. And don't let anyone take away your shine. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.